In this episode, we're decorating more for fall. So if you're interested in seeing what's decorated and how it turned out, you know what to do. Stick around. Now here are some of the items I'm going to use for my formal dining room Thanksgiving tablescape. Now I'm using the faux leather placemats. I got them from Amazon. And then the faux leather pumpkins from the Dollar Tree along with the plaid pumpkins from Dollar Tree. I'm using a forest green napkin and pillow covers. I'm using my copper flatware. And I have this green saucer. I'm using that. Just keep looking. It'll look good. I'm using the leaf plates that I have. Of course, I'm using the lantern that I made in the lantern collab with Kenya. I'm using both of them. I'm using my orange stemware. It was thrifted. And I may or may not use the small leather pumpkins. They came from the Dollar Tree. And I'm using these plates here. I got them years ago, a few years back. I think they came from Family Dollar, either General Dollar one. And then I'm using these beautiful orange chargers that I got from, I think it was Hobby Lobby. Yeah, they were on clearance. They were from $1.99 at Hobby Lobby. I've had them a couple of years. I've never used them, and I thought I'd pull them out and use them this year. So again, here's everything I'm going to be using. May or not, maybe. But I'm going to get this tablescape going and let you enjoy. I forgot to show you the napkin rings. I'm using two of these. They are the Leaves copper ring, and it has the copper, black, and like a muted gold leaf. And then I'm using these copper ones. I'm using 4 of these and 2 of these. Now here's an overall look of my table. I think it came out really pretty. The only thing that was purchased new was, of course, the faux leather pumpkins, and then the plaid pumpkins in the middle. Everything else I already had in my stash. I wish I could find me 2 more of those leaf plates, because I love those and they make everything look so gorgeous. But here is my Thanksgiving tablescape. I think it turned out really nice, y'all. Let me know what you think down below of my tablescape. You know I love reading your comments. And don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Doesn't hurt you, but it helps me. And I will catch you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.